Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also slap that bell so that you're able to get notifications and tune in weekly, because every Saturday we're posting at 11. It's a mood, it's a mantra, you want to be here. If you're returning, thank you so much. I would also suggest that you hit the bell because I have not been saying that and it's hurting me, so let's just hit the bell so that we're all in the loop. New, old, new, everyone coming together weekly. This week we're going to just continue on the momentum of the thrift haul video. I'm actually going to revamp one of the pieces from last week's video. It is the jean dress. I have been itching to snip that guy. I feel like she deserves to be like a midi, maybe a pinch above the knee. We'll see how that goes. I also kind of want to fray out the edge of the dress, kind of like, you know, when you go and thrift jeans to do high-waisted jeans and you like pull it, you know what I'm talking about, and then you toss it in the dryer and it's fluffy. I want to do one of those to that dress. I feel like it's just a little too long, like the whole floor length seam, so I'm going to take the Fiesta in the back and bring it down to the bottom as well. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I am not, you know, a seamstress or, you know, good at this stuff. We're gonna just wing it basically. So yeah, hopefully it comes out good. Stick around and see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I have her back on. I love this dress. The fit is perfect and everything. I feel like once I cut it short, it'll be really nice. I really feel like right above the knee is going to be perfect. Kind of, I'm going to just do it right at the middle of my knee so that I have some leeway if I want to snip a little bit more. But yeah, she's basically 2 centimeters for being a ball gown and it's really long. And I feel like for the summertime, I just want to like toss on my sandals, because with this, it kind of will hide the shoe, or I'd have to wear like a platform heel in order for my shoe not to be hidden. So I kind of just want to have a little leg out and live my life like it's golden. So I'm going to just use my jumbo white eyeliner pencil and just make a little mark right at the middle of my knee, and then I'm going to take it off and then just cut a straight line. Alright, so as you guys know, it had a little split, and so when I cut it, it actually still has a cute little like mini triangle split right in the back. So I hope this is like the perfect length so that way I don't have to cut it anymore. Let's try it on! Guys, it came out to the perfect length. Like literally, I don't need to cut anymore. I'm gonna like take my tweezers and like start fraying out the edge, but it came out so perfect. Like now I feel so much more free and alive in this one. I don't feel constricted with that floor length madness. It really came out perfect, and I love that I still have a piece of the split so that you know that the dress originally had a split in the back. It's so cute. So yeah, let's get started on fraying. Alright guys, so now I'm going to just fray out the edges. I'm going to be using a box cutter and some tweezers. Please, if you are young or you don't feel like you know what you're doing with this, please just have adult supervision or someone to help you, because one, this takes 700 years, and two, you don't want to hack at your nubs with this box cutter. But it does help the process go by a little bit faster. So I'm going to just get going on the edge, turn on some tunes, and get going. And then I'll see you at the end. I also find that working on sections, like just working on a little square at a time, is going to be better than trying to like go with the box cutter across the whole edge and then tweeze. So just use the box cutter, tweeze some, scoot over, and keep going that way. So that way you don't feel like it's just taking 700 years, which it will end up doing anyways.